The Earth is floating in the universe. The word dust is not too much at all, because the size of the universe is far beyond human imagination. And in order to intuitively understand the insignificance of human beings, this video will take you from Earth to the deepest reaches of the universe, to explore a series of untold ultimate mysteries. Our first stop is the Moon. This is the only natural satellite orbiting the Earth. It is also the only alien celestial body that humans have landed on. There are craters all over the surface, almost everywhere. Then came to Mars, a barren desert. Now it includes China's Zhurong, etc. Multiple rover have explored the surface of Mars. And then we pass the asteroid belt. It's made up of at least 500,000 small stars, consists of a dense region of celestial bodies, and thus into the realm of Jupiter. Jupiter is 1,321 times the size of Earth, the largest planet in the solar system. On a road, a storm that could engulf the Earth. The cyclone is known as Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Saturn, on the other hand, has very prominent rings. Inside are billions of tiny ice cube snowballs. Each one is a small satellite. And finally, Uranus and Neptune. This is an ice giant in the outer solar system. In addition to them is the famous Science and Technology Expo Belt. Currently only Voyager is available. 5 man-made probes such as the Shingasai visited here, and that's where Pluto is. In 1950, Dutch astronomer Jan Oort, they made a big guess. Consider the entire solar system wrapped in a giant ball cloud. This is called the Oort Cloud. They are composed of numerous inactive comets. It's about 2 light years across. But unfortunately, because of the distance, he's never actually been seen. It can't be seen. And as we continue out along the Oort Cloud, we'll find more and more bright spots like fireflies. Each of them is a star, and together make up the entire galaxy. Our galaxy is an ordinary spiral galaxy. It's like a fluorescent island. And in that new space, there's a couple of strong pins. Our planet is on the Orion Wall, 26,000 light years from the bright core. And from the Milky Way galaxy, you can see a small colony of about 50 galaxies. This is the local group, covering an area of 10 million light years. These are the fluorescent islands of the universe. But on this one, there is also a larger Leo superstar group, at least 100 million light years in diameter, make about 2,000 galaxies, consisting of a larger celestial system. Among these, our galaxy, it's just an inconspicuous bright spot. But even the Virgo Supercluster, it can only be Laniakea, just the tip of the iceberg in supercluster galaxies. That's about 100,000 galaxies. The bound universe giant group, horrible 520 million light years in diameter. The universe above. It's all about this large-scale web of fibrous structures. They are distributed throughout the space, the entire observable universe. In March 2013, according to the European Space Agency's Planck telescope, mapping the cosmic microwave background, the radiation data indicates that the age of the universe is 13.82 billion. And because the universe is constantly expanding, so center on the Earth, the entire observable universe with a radius of 46.50 billion light years. This is the limit of what humans can observe. What's outside of that? No one knows yet. But now that we're here, there must be a question for us to ponder. As the saying goes, both serve because of the vast sea of heaven and earth. One drop, we are just a particle in the universe, just sand on a sufficiently large scale. Even if everything about human civilization, it will also seem insignificant. So why should we cling to, what about the so-called fame and fortune?